I can tell you I've been there before. Oh yeah. And I can tell you this, I ain't going back no more.
Gaming and music, Mapatushka. Ain't happening today.
Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to play this game.
/CLEAR enter.
Just take me back. Cause I don't know how to play this game.
Oh, play that. Yeah, I probably did. Alright, let's get some kind of a party started because I gotta eat dinner. But I like listening to. I should go get me a little snack.
Cause I can tell you, baby, I ain't going back no more. Cause I've been down that road before. I ain't going back no more. Cause I've been there. Yes, I've been there before. You know I've been there. I've been there before. And I ain't going back there no more.
This is a good beat. They could have put more chords in it. I'm gonna be playing shit like this. And better.
Cause I can tell you, baby, I've been there before. I can tell you, baby, oh baby, I ain't going back no more. I said no more.
You can actually change.
Ain't no more.
Oh, fuck. See the little red line around the box. Oh, there's a ton of shit here. Wow.
I ain't going back no more. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Do 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 do. I'm wondering where. Well, I got desktop wallpaper. Doesn't tell me themes. Black Gold Texas tea. I guess the default's just as good. I'm wondering about the tile thing. It's dusk. Oh. Ooh, that looks cool. That's a little bit easier on my eyes. Let's see. Let's just go over here. Let's see if we can. What's this one here? That was like longer.
Progressive.
I don't usually go that route. Sorry about that. What was I looking for? I got some money, but I don't want to spend it yet. I might not survive this game. Let's go off the internet. Activate Sam.
Yes, Commander.
How are you doing, Sam? Hello, Sam. Activate logistics.
Good evening. I am Sam, your advisor and controller. Local terminal Let's activation. Go to work, Commander. Network setting monitor. What are we learning on this data? Training, missions, police missions, freelancing.
Yeah, that.
IP database has been loaded. Enter next available IP data number to use.
Well, I don't know what it is, honey, but I can find out though. Load data.
Enter notepad. IP database has been loaded.
So we're up to 32. Oops.
All variables are set. Network monitor off.
Let's go to activate and see if we can fix something. Where's the... Why didn't... Oh, it's not in here? Why does it run another command? Oh, it's executing a command. Oh, it might be in... Yeah, that shouldn't be in there, so... Oh, that's weird. Oh, it wasn't loaded then. Oh, wait. Why? Okay, that sort of makes sense. Let's put that in here. Bow, bow. I'm going through my initialization process. Set variables. Down. I like that one, that's kind of upbeat and stuff. So I wouldn't need setting variables.
Your note enter IP data.
Oh, shit. I said setting, not set. You didn't listen to me correctly. You've been drinking. You've had a little too much to drink, haven't you, honey? I know.
IP database has been loaded.
I know, dear.
Enter next available IP data number to use.
Load this database. Is it 32?
All variables are set.
Wow. So when I do this, it wants to know what I shouldn't have. Well, all right, let's do this. Let's do Oh, I have to do this in here, don't I? I have to, so that command needs to be there. Oh, it's gotta be there too. Well, this is enter though. Oh, you know what I should do here? Let's do this. 0.1. I don't need this here. Let's delete this. Let's see how this works here. Set variables.
You're noting IP data.
Alright, there's still a problem with the damn voice there.
Enter next available IP data number to use.
No, I don't know why it's asking me these two questions.
variables
I
are
can't
set.
fucking find that shit. Notepad.
Your notes, Commander.
Alright, see if I click this, it gives me this information here. Let me go back to Oh, this is wrong here. What is going... Oh. This should be... This kind of upbeat music kind of gets you moving, you know? Once you start playing the game, things kind of slow down a little bit, and then you gotta think a little bit more, that type of thing. And the music's over, yeah. Load data.
Your notes, Commander.
That was like 0.1 second. It was just barely there. Oh, it didn't ask me this time. I still don't want. Let's try this. Bye-bye.
Wow, wow.
I don't like that 0.1. I think 0.5, maybe at the end or something. Quick input. I don't know. I just don't know. Execute command. Oh yeah, this should be... I gotta change this too, don't I? Shit. Oh, wait. 0 point. I feel this damn cold draft from somewhere, and I don't know where the hell it's coming from. It's gonna be cold tonight. See, it says enter next available IP. Streamline that, send this to 30. I don't like... Yeah, you know, I'm gonna start using 0.5 and everything in this, running these programs, because I think 1/10 of a second is just too short. Alright, let's just see what happens here. We'll work our way backwards. Load data. Load data.
Your notes, Commander.
That was a little smoother. See, now I can go through here. This here, like I could pick this mission, I could just go there. Because I see that we haven't done a mission type of thing and find out what it is. This, like Mohawk Limited, I wonder if that's in my networks. Yeah, I'll see it's not there. That worked out good. Set variables.
Your notes, Commander. Loading IP data. Your notes, Commander. Enter next available IP number to use.
Last available index number above. Now, where the hell is it getting this command? Because I don't know what the fuck is going on here. I don't know. Skip to Maloo, this message. Oh, they forced a frickin' another ad in. Jesus. And that they're doing something new there. They're forcing the ads to keep playing, and then they'll put a little skip thing up there, and the ad's still going. What the fuck is that? Last available index number above. I have no idea.
All variables are set.
I have no idea where that command is coming from. I got enter the number. There's nothing there. Where the fuck is it getting that command? I have... Oh, you know what it could be? I wonder if it's running another command somewhere that I don't know about. Enter. Well, they ran two notepads for some reason. Set. Set vary. Set vario. Set variables.
Your notes commander. Loading IP data. Your notes commander.
I know that it loads 2 notepads.
Enter next available IP number to use.
I wonder if it tells me what programs are running. It doesn't tell me. I'll be goddamned. I don't know. Last available index number above. I wonder if that's in the set variables command.
All variables are set.
Oh, that's strange. What the fuck? Is it asking it twice? Is it executing a command, another command that I don't know about? Because there's only one command here. Oh. Enter notepad. Set text. Quick input. It's not in there. It's not there. Integer array. Integer of array. Get integer input. Oh, why is this in here twice? List avail. I found it. It's the same command. It's the enter next type of data array number. Oh, I found the problem. I've got two commands of the same, but the enter information is different in both of them. So this should be enter next IP. You know, let's just take that off there too. I just fixed that problem. Let's change this too. I don't like this. Setting commands. Okay, I fixed that. Finally. Cheapers creepers. I believe that's all set now. Load data.
Your notes, Commander.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't care, 'cause I'm sitting in my chair. Set variables.
Your notes, Commander. Loading IP data. Your notes, Commander.
Now, when I do the set
Enter next available data number.
variables command,
All variables are set.
it does two things. It loads this one here because it runs, wait, why is it doing it in set variables though? You see, the command set the variables loads. Oh my god. Fuck, I can't figure this shit out. It's just too complicated. Well, I can, but we're not gonna listen to your garbage, thank you. Oh, jeez, first creepers. This is gonna bug the shit out of me, isn't it? So, when the program first starts, in order to set the last variable number, you've got to load the data. Well, what if you want to look at the data at some other point in the game? You've got to load the notepad to load the data. So in either case, this is going to happen. Execute command. It loads the notepad, then it execute. So it loads the notepad first in the set variables. Maybe that doesn't need to be there in set variables. But every time I run that program to set those variables, it has to load the data in order to tell you what the last one was. So if I got 100 of these things sitting there, and I have to sit and wait through all of those. Well, on the set of the variables command, I only do it once. Just seems like I'm gonna remove this notepad in loading IP data. I think I can remove this, honestly. Why does that have to be there? Because it's loading the data anyway, and the load the data does the notepad anyway. Yeah, I think I solved that problem. Alright, good, fine. We did it. That takes care of the initializing of the settings, doesn't it? Alright, so everything should be set. Now, I talked about more advanced commands, which I've got over on another screen on my other computer over here. And the big problem I got now is this R shell business. Alright, so if I go and usually I just do this as a default type thing. Access my server. Enter. So this is my server, and there's no computer on it. Alright? And it's on this address. I'm not renting it. But there's no computer here. Oh, I know why. So I can connect to that actually. Access my server. Enter. Oh, this doesn't do the thing like the scan does. Network map. Enter. This is strange. To initialize that, you gotta go up. Can I actually can make that a little smaller? I don't know if that defaults or nothing. So if you add something and you take it away, you lose that money. Just saying. So if you want to add something, you gotta make sure it's right. I'm tired. The other thing, I feel like I gotta go to work tomorrow. So if I rent a server, that's just gonna be the same as me being on here, I would think. If I go back to Oleones, network map, enter. Now this is Oleones setup here. And I am right here on this computer. It shows the IPs, all that good stuff. Now there's another command. You can run a program called scan router, and I don't know. Yeah, I gotta see if I can find that program. I don't want to listen to your crap. It's another day in the neighborhood. I would love you if I could. I would skip this file if I could. Just give me a break. Look at this, 2 freaking 10-15 second ads. Goodbye. We don't want to look at your stinky ass fucking armpits. Jesus. So there's 2 places to find commands that you can actually run. And some of those programs, to run them, you've got to have what's called a library. You gotta have a file in a library. It's a library file. So in order for me to run SSH commands, maybe I gotta have this library ssh.so. The other thing is, if I want, there's what's called exploit commands. HTTP is one of them. I have an idea. Let's try something here, because we're learning, right? We're gonna delete this, which is probably not a good idea, so I won't delete it. I'll just put it in here. Alright, now this command is in here. It's not in the correct location. We're gonna delete this. HTTP, we're gonna delete this. So there's a command, it's called HTTP, and I have been using it before. And it is located, the commands are located in the binary folder. And HTTP is right here. Now, I thought I had a program called ScanRouter somewhere, and I don't know where it is. There's the shell stuff that we gotta figure out again tonight, because we are not getting anywhere. I got some various get money commands, and I don't like when I bought them. I don't know what exploit they use. You know, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. This one is another command. I think for the scan library, I think you have to have the SQL, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Maybe not. There's these commands with a D on the end of it. I haven't figured that out. apt-get, there's a thing to update files. There's some stuff in there. Sudo gets you the root. cp is copy files and whatever. So I've learned to use copy in order to the cp command to copy files. Well, actually I was copying them to my other directory to access the log, but then I realized I could just double click on it and get rid of the log entries and put them back. And lo and behold, I found that in the tutorial guide. And the other executable commands are located here. And I don't see this scan network does a picture thing. I don't see the scan router thing. I wonder if that's something I gotta buy. That has to do with the firewalls. And there's commands in here that if you go to the manual, they are not listed. There's the coin creation. I was just reading about that too. Blockchain is a real thing. And so there's some stuff there. On these words you can create on currency used by the players. That's a player thing. There's this command. Some of these are the standard commands you would want to have. It leads from for outgoing connections. I don't really know exactly what that does. It'll be interesting to use it at some point in life. These are server commands that you put on a computer, and this shit here, you know. So there's a scan router command, I thought. I don't know. Scab router. Okay. Alright, let's do let's do the do. No, I don't wanna go there. Networks. Well, we can do my ISP actually. So we do HTTP. So I'm in my local directory and it's finding this command. So maybe I gotta go to another directory. Let's do access root directory.
Accessing root directory.
No, it's still running the command. I don't know. I don't know, so maybe I just put it back. I have no idea. Enter. Enter. Oh yeah, you gotta put a port number on there. Oh, I thought this was an exploit. And that you needed that library program. Can't connect to net session. Port not found. Oh, that's because the port not found. Oh shit.
Bye bye. What you gonna do when I'm gone? When I'm gone.
Let's pick Larco's an interesting one. Larco's got a lot of crap on it. Ah. Wait, what the fuck? Where's all my Larco stuff? Oh, there's nothing there. Wait, what am I doing? Am I doing a... Damn it. What the hell? Saber. Okay, here's one that I've hacked and I've gotten some programs and stuff like that. I'm supposed to compare files and stuff. We could go to this one, kind of like, you know, from scratch. Well, actually... we got some chat logs I haven't looked at. It looks like I got all of the files. Whether I've completed a mission on there or not, I don't know. Is this own guy's freaking... Yeah, it is. We gotta find some other music because this shit is just driving me. Maybe I won't even listen to any music. Fuck it. So we got... These are the credentials of your computer. The client wants to log in credentials. I'm not sure if this is completed, but what we can do is load data.
Your notes, Commander.
So when this gets done loaded, we're looking for Saber. There's something wrong with that index thing, isn't there? What is that, number 15? I don't see Saber on here. We'll have to fix that. Let's go ahead and... I'm going to open up our directory. Game programs, voice. Deep breath. So 15 is messed up. It's got this little extra space in the comma. I don't know why that's there like that. It should have information. Now, let's go ahead and see if we can... They want a user of this dude here. So let's go to my mail. And we'll see if we can find... We're looking at this port and this name. And sometimes they don't give you a name. This is login credentials. Login credentials. Mansic. Of any user. Sure. You'd think these would be easy, but they're not. I'm gonna go back down. Let's look for 72. Damn it. Fuck. I gotta go get me another cookie. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I'm thinking, okay, wait. So we did this because, and I don't see, there's the ports on here. So, it doesn't have an open AD port, so we can't do the HTTP hack. And so what we did was we got the information of the website here, and there's this email of the admin. We have a username in the email, so we go to the email. We go to the mail. We start a new email and do login issues, and all we got to do is put the username and the admin in. We've got login credentials. I think there was a mission here, and I think it's done. I think. What about... mission contract to him? I have an idea. Let's try. I think I did this, but I don't remember. So what we'll do is we'll do another mail. Now I can't copy this stuff up here, so I gotta type it in. Mission contract to all and contract. You know what's really fucking ironic right here, right now? I've got to deal with a drug company, pharmacy company that my health insurance put me on without my knowledge. And the name of that company is actually on here. You can see it right now. And I gotta figure out what the hell is going on there. Oh, I can't put in... Yes, I can. This is reply. It came from reply. Oh, I see what's going on. That reply has to be there. Yeah, I think I did it, honestly. I don't know. So we can get root access anyway because we've got this information. So it's root at, or it would be root at BURTNE. So then you would just go... No, wait a minute. Wait a minute, let's try something. So I can't even freaking remember. Let's go get into this site. I know we can get root access and delete the log file. Oh, it's going to ask for the password, and it's just that name. Enter. I can see we're connected. Okay. We go here, copy. Get root access.
Root access is required to change file
Enter.
permissions. Semper Fi baby.
Access log.
Accessing log entries. Do not remove the first connection entry.
Now these all look familiar. Except for that 7258 one. What is that? Oh, that's the one I was just on. Connection established on port 22. Yeah, the connection established is the one that you want to keep. Exit. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to add this to the database here. Get IP data. Fuck.
Your notes commander. Accessing remote server. Enter the IP you wish to search.
Exit. I was still logged into that computer. I exited root access and it defaulted back to him. What is this here though? The computer does weird things, like, I don't know what... Oh, that's a user that I was on. But it doesn't add up to this. This is the dude that I connected to, but this was a user. NSF is a user here, I think. See, what's nice would be like if you can learn to use this as a playground to access the other things on here. So I could log in there with root access immediately. But I wonder on top of the terminal. I wonder if, let's just out of curiosity. It's a game. This is a game for educational purposes, memory, learning about file systems. Yeah, that's what it is. Now, I'm going to go in as root and then... Why did I want to do that? Oh, I want to look at the directory and I want to look at the scan map of this outfit here. Enter. Network map. Enter. Oh, it's not on the computer. So if I was to get on there with a shell, there would be a question. Sup, how are you? Yeah, I'm just doing fine. Nice to meet you. Let's see here. What was the other thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah. Access Explore.
Accessing remote directories.
So exactly. So I think I'm in this dude's directory. Well, actually, let's go to home. There's Israel. So what the hell is ENECRAF, I wonder? Where's the chat log and all that stuff? Exit. Oh shit, I gotta do it again. Fuck. Enter. Access log.
Accessing log entries. Do not remove the first connection entry.
Oh shit. Look at all the entries here. What the fuck? Exit. So this would be a good one to do the shell thing. If we can get the shell thing working, well actually this is not a good one because it doesn't have wait, maybe we can, because there's a user. Let's try this. I gotta put that command back. Wait, can I put it? Let's see if I can put it back in the library this way. Alright. Go here. I know, just delete this. You know, we got a problem here. I don't know what this is a log entry. Well, these files are coming up and I don't know why. Permission denied. This is in my home directory, empty. Yes. Alright, these people that come in here and say, hi, how you doing? Some of them are slow, and they're just starting out with their bot making shit, and then, who knows, you know? I don't know why they bother, really. What do these people do with their life? Just run around and make bots and and their names are so strange. Probably someone that wants me to buy their art, who knows? Access root. Get root access.
Root access is required to change file permissions.
Enter.
Semper Fi baby.
Access explore.
Accessing remote directories.
Alright, I gotta change that because that's too loud. That's too loud, we can fix that. Quick input here. She's talking too fast too for my book. And we could add file explorer. I guess that's okay. Uh-oh. Not sure what happened there. Anyway, let me just check this. Home. There's this file here. Access work directory.
Accessing work directory.
List permissions. What the fuck? Oh. What is this? Unknown. That's a large file. Back. List permissions. Yeah, that's weird. These Harbin log files have been popping up. Access work directory.
Accessing work directory.
Oh shit, let's do it here. I gotta do it here. So now the question is... Oh, this is a folder. Oh, okay, so I just delete this. And Secure all files.
Enter the name of the directory.
Access work directory.
Accessing work directory.
So, this is the first time I've ran 2 programs at the same time.
All files in this directory are secured from remote access.
Enter. List permissions. I added that directory and I had to... Okay, there's this. I don't know what that is. This came from... Oh, what is this? Path encode, server encode. I have no idea what this is. This is a configuration file. This one. Oh, this is the stuff I got off the mail server. What is this? My EMS server. What if the file that is? Oh, this must be. This has got to be from the mail server. Let's see. Hopefully I can do a mission or whatever before I go get something to eat. So I go to... my mail server. I think this is a configuration file. Employees, user. Okay, this is the same stuff. So, we go back here. What if I can delete? I'll get there. It's... let's see if this works. Oh, it does delete that directory. And I don't know where that came from. Alright. Cool. Exit. Oh, we've got a info text file here. This is Saber. Okay, we'll just get rid of that. Get rid of this. No. No, no. No. Yeah. Okay. So I downloaded this. Okay, so if we go to the browser and go to the hack shop here place and go to tools. Oh, there's scan router. Is it free? Some of these are programs, some of these are library files. We already got this one, it came with the other. So that's the shell server thing, and that's the, whatever this is, interface to run it. I don't even, how do you even need an interface program when you can just do... I spent $85 on an interface program, and all I had to do is just go into the browser and do the browser address. Like, what the hell? Wait, that's not true. That's not true. This program listens for the connections that are added onto that browser interface router port change things. So that's interesting. So the trick would be to have a whole bunch of shells running this program, listening to ports on all these other servers for what? Looking for enemies. I don't fucking know. I've got this program. I haven't figured that one out yet. Alright, I got this one. Let's see if I've got these two. I don't think I got this one. So this is the firewall information stuff. I got $750 in my account from last night. Let's see if we've got... Now we could have that program in one of the other folders up here. And then I could have just like moved it or something. These are all .so. Oh, I have got the program. It's right here. I must have scanned library too. I do have these programs. How come they're not running? I may have spelt that one wrong. Scan router IP address. No. If I go to my network IPs, shit, no, I forgot which one it was. Okay. Here's one here. It's evidently I did this one. What did I scan? I scanned this port here. But that's not... Into browser for port forwarding. $172. This is Oleone's setup. Okay, and I'm connected to Oleone on a Wi-Fi. Oh, you know what's interesting? Network map. Enter. Yeah, I'm just realizing something here. So hello, let's wake up now. None of this distortion shit today. I gotta go get a fucking cookie. You have to be logged into, or you have to be a member. So my setup logged in like this is just like being a member and logged into their computer system, so I can do a net map. And here all I did was just connect to this dude's Wi-Fi, and I was able to run that network map. I wonder how that is if all those ports are closed. How is it that I can see all of that stuff in the network from a router that's got closed ports? I mean, how is life possible? You wake up one morning, you know, and it's like, hello, welcome to my world. Yeah, fuck. It's gonna be cold tonight. You better get that. It's gonna be real cold tonight. And I ain't just kidding, boy. And I don't have my heat on yet either. I could put my heat on. But I'm still draining water, chlorine out of my water, and I don't want that shit to get messed up. Now, there's some things here that we can do on this that I wasn't aware of. So this is his router. It's a Wi-Fi, and we took this information, the name and this code, and we cracked the password for that code, and we can log into that router. The IP address of that router is up there, and we can put that in here. Now we've got a program. So I have not written a program for this, I don't think. Let me see. I have written a program. All right. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
All right, so we can go here, and we can just copy, like this. Oh, and then we put the information in the program that I'm running, not in here. So there's no firewall rules. in that router. Now, since we have access to everything, let's go right down the line, actually. Why don't we do all of these computers? Let's see. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Let's do my computer first. Put the 5 on. Oops. That's just IP address not found. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Which is weird because that's what it's supposed to be. We've got 2. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Connecting to address here. So I tried to connect to computers, not routers. And there was no information. So the next router is this one here. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
And it's got some rules. Now there's an 8080 port here. So there's a command, and I don't know, like, let's try this one here. And see what happens. Library not found. It could be because I'm only connected to my computer. Kernel module.so. I'm not sure where it's looking for that. It doesn't show the camera. The camera is connected to this router, but it's not showing it. Let's do... Get IP brief.
Enter IP. Enter domain name.
Let's cancel. Oh, come on, stop it, damn it. Thing is distorting on me. It's like it's dying, like something's dying here. Hello, wake up, thank you. Hello, test 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me now? I don't know what's wrong with this fucking thing. It just keeps distorting on me. Maybe it needs a cookie. Hello, can you hear me now? Hello, test 1, 2. That is the most annoying problem I've got. I spent 3 months working on this mixer setup with my music setup, and I have this problem consistently every time. No. This is the router, 168.2.2. That's this one down here. Now you can do what's called a ping simulation. It says set destination. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Now if we can ping that, we should be able to get some information. And it already says that up top. Right here. Allow any. So there's a camera, a computer. There's the camera and 2 computers on that port. Munch, munch, munch. Tell you what, let's do. The 8080, I remember now. I remember what this is. It took me a minute. Oh boy, we're doing some serious hacking here now, boy. So we're not on somebody's computer. We're in a network. If I do a command like PS, well, I didn't know that was happening. That tells me all of my programs that I'm running on my computer. So, let's go to the browser. And that's really bright as hell. I wish I could do as settings on the on their browser, you know. That's just fucking bright. God damn. We're going to... We can go all the way down to that port down there. And we could even do an 8080 on that port, I think. Because 8080 in the original setup is allowed through that first router that's up here. So we can look at that port, and that 8080 even allows us to change and port forward and do anything we want with it. Don't ask me why or how that is possible, because I just don't know. It's just a thing, you know what I mean, yeah, Vern? So, we will put this number in here, and we will do this. Can't connect port 8080 not found. Okay, let's go to the other one, which has it on here. A lot of this game is process of elimination. So maybe if we add an entry and do another 8080 and add that port number down there. Let's add. Okay, so we can't. There's the shell port number. There are no open ports on that router. Or it says any. Scanning firewall rules allow any port, any source IP. Oh wait, what is this? What the hell did I do? I pinged to the router. Connecting to router at address 2.1. Scanning kernel library. Action allow port destination on 2.2. What? We could do an FTP access. Maybe it's 21. What does this check mark do, I wonder? Let's go back and we can try. Now this is something I haven't done. Is do an nmap of the local router. Now that I haven't done before. You can do the nmap on the public. Wait, no, I thought I couldn't. Oh, it's the scan ports. It's the scan, whatever that other, is that IW list? Scan router.
Enter router IP.
Oh, that's not a router number though. Well, you know what? That original one probably had employees on it. And I did the nmap. Wait, I don't see it on here. Where am I? Oh yeah, see here? Wait, I've got a group name and password, and I've got a password here. What if it's the password to that computer down there? I can't do... That's not a user, though. This is the person that owns that router. Oh, can I log into that router? Wait. Can I... Can I access this router with my computer if I have this? How would I do that? Let's try something here. Let's see. Add a new computer. Oh, fuck. This isn't public, though. This is a user. Like it would be in a Wi-Fi. Connect to this device. Oh, it's trying to do an SSH command, which is not correct because oh, you know what? What the fuck? You see what I see? Do you see what I see on this computer? Hello? Hello? Wake up. Wake up. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn thing is distorting on me again. Hello? 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 Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? 1, 2. Hello? I think my mixer's dying or something. I don't know what's wrong, but I hear this fucking distortion. It's driving me crazy. The owner of the IP router. Hello? What the fuck is wrong with this thing? Hello? 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 Test 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like... Wait, is it up here? Maybe? Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? Hello? I got a bad connection on my thing here, too. And maybe that might be... That could be what's causing it. I don't know. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? My thing is redlining. So the person that owns the second one owns that one. It's the same password. No, it's weird. So I've just noticed that, but... No, this is 2. Two 2.2 is the computer that's down here. It says an FTP port. Wait a minute, if that's a user, I might be able to connect to this. Let's add another one. Let's check this. Oh, I'm adding this port up here. Local area net IP address. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
It's a lot of process elimination learning. Well, that was the computer. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
I thought this was supposed to do firewalls, and I thought the firewalls, so the firewalls are on the router. You can have firewalls on a computer too, but all right. Scan router. Right, well, let me get the number first here. Oh, there's 8080 is up top. Scan router.
Enter router IP.
And there's 0.2, 2.2, 2.2. Just allow any. That's a router. Can I? Well, he owns that router. Can I do? I just tried to connect to that. It wouldn't let me. That's 8080. It says there's no port there. I wonder if this is hidden. Service not found behind port 22. Oh, this just selects the item. Why won't it let me delete it? Oh, maybe it's deleted. It's not letting me delete these for some reason. Oh, I was doing port forwarding. Oh my god, what an idiot. Wait. I was doing port forwarding. I can remove these. So then I can port, where's 2.2? Right here. Allow any. 2.3 is not there. 2.4 is not there. Oh, the router is 2.1. Destination source IP any 8080. Action allow. Fuck. So if I add an entry, I'm not forwarding a port. I don't know what port you would use to look at a CCT camera. Hello? What? How are you today? Let's try port 21. Wait, this is supposed to be... 192. I'm learning about computers. Two. Why did it do this? It added this here. It's already got this on here. Oh, I don't know. This game is like confusing as hell. I got some stuff done, but there's the R shell thing that I'm supposed to learn, and I'm trying to learn about exploits, which, like, there's a camera, like, I just want to, well, there's figuring out forwarding ports and stuff is part of it. I know how to do it on my own computer, but I'm not 100% sure exactly what's going on, and somebody sent me a message over here. What is this? Yeah. It's a challenging little game. So there's like 2 ports, like there's the SSH port you get into, you get a username and email, and you can send a command, and it lets you access the computer, and then depending on the level of access, if you can go in and grab the root user's password and get what's called root access and take all their money and all of $25 if they got it in their account. I don't even bother with that. I got some goals in the game I want to try to do, but I'm barely getting started. I feel like I'm in first grade or something. I can't figure this thing out. Yeah, it's just a thing, you know. Maybe I could, let's see, this one here, it says any allow, and it shows up, well, the 8080 on the router allows you to change and add things. So maybe what happens if I do... well, that's interesting. Any source IP. Well, I guess that's interesting. That solved all I can get. Alright, yeah, well, let me do this again. I didn't want to do that. Well, I could do it. That's an exploiter, but I don't want to do that. I want to do this scan router again, don't I? No. Alright, let's type this in. We've got... Oh. We've got a port open. Oh, I see. This is a service. Wait. Version 1.0. That's that computer. How did I do that? That's the forwarding. It says unknown. So if these programs have certain libraries on them, you can use that library exploit and get access to the computer. That's a forwarded port from that computer. Well, I should be able to do... I wonder what the camera port is. Let's see. Let's go look up... Well, that wouldn't help me, would it? I still haven't been able to access CCT cameras. But what we could try to do... Let's add another entry. We'll do 21 is FTP. And this one will change to a 4. Well, that's an FTP port. It's a service unknown. Firewall. Action. Allow. This is port and source IP. Destination IP. Allow 80/80/80. What are these? Those are... What are those, actually? I think they're the computers up here. It's like the computers on the outside of the port going into. So there must be an assumption that everything behind the router is able to get out, but everything outside of the router is not going to be able to get in unless they have a certain type of access. So if it says allow action any port 2 and 3, any destination, I should be able to add my computer on here. Let's see. Any port The source IP. Any computer can access this 2.2. But there's no open ports on it. Why is this unchecked? So I'm going to put my number here. And this is weird. I don't know. That's a firewall. So it looks like it says I get access to any destination beyond that firewall. Except for this one over here on the left. Any more cookies left? I need a piece of chocolate. This game is something else, huh? Here's a help file. Connect to your server. Install the service you want. Install the server. It says connect to your server through the command terminal. If you browse that, it says open the router configuration using the browser instructed by the service installer. And as in our case, you install HTTP server. I'll install a machine is 80. What we call internal port. If you want to make sure that for this machine installing service, you can nmap to your local address. Why do we want the service bounds to the router? We are going to use the same port still, but we can use either yada yada yada. And the router points to each one of them. It's the router of the... I don't have a clue. Like, I should be able to see that camera. let me add, oh, this is forwarding those ports from that router to this router because they show up here now. And the checkbox only has to do with adding or removing. So we're going to add an entry. We're going to forward because if we do, yeah, shit. Well, the other computer is not there. Let me try to find something here. I've got a program that has port numbers. And let's see. Camera or CCTV is not on there. Usenet 119, NetBIOS, SMTP. $443. SMTP's 587. FTP. OpenVTM. Gaming UDPs. Plug and play various games. I went through that whole port list. Why would it say state? Add entry. We'll use 443. And we're going to add number 3. And we'll use number 4. That's a computer. Number 3 is the camera. And number 4 is that other computer. Oh, I know what we could do. I got another idea. He's got employees on there, on that other computer, doesn't he? Let's do... We can forward a port 80. Ah, fucking hell. Almost lost it. Damn phone is in the way. Let's add another entry. We'll do port 80. And we'll use that computer. And then if I go over here and nmap this again, enter. Now I've got open ports. Now if I do the original IP address, which I think is up here somewhere. $172 is the second router in this dude's Wi-Fi network system. And I don't know what this is. It's supposed to be this one. I don't know what that 72 is. This is Oleoni's. Enter. So I'm connected to the other router. I've got a port. I got to go to the other router. No. That's the internet one. I'm behind that router. It's supposed to be, I think it's 0.1 here. Ah. And now we add an entry. Um, 8080. That's an HTTP. I don't know. I don't want to mess with that port. What we can do is go back here again. Copy. Paste. Here. 80. Can't connect service not found behind the port 80. So it's sitting right there. I forwarded the port, but there's nothing on it. You tell me. Let's try to connect to the camera using it's not saying I can open the ports, but there's no service there. I don't know. I thought there was another exploit that you use. What is this 8080 port? I wonder. Let's see here. Shit. Ports. HTTP proxy, common web proxy server ports 80, etc., etc. Yeah, that kind of thing. Well, there's a closed port here. I wonder if we can open this port, this employee's port, on this So if we copy this, paste, and then go here. The fuck? Yeah. Port not found my ass. Is that the port number? It's 2.2. So the other one would be... That's not what I did. What did I do? Right here. Interesting ports. I unmapped this. I found this. Well, isn't it 0.1? Let's try this. Can't connect. Port is closed. So 92.168.0.1 here. 80. It says it's closed. Oh wait, firewall. Oh, there's no firewall here. Wait. Any? Hello. Come on. Get out of that fucking distortion shit. Destination IP. This has to be a router. And I don't know. I have no idea. Oh my god, listen to this. You hear this? And every time I get in here... Hello? I think... Hear that? Wait, I wonder... Okay, so I can hear the distortion. If it's the microphone... I mean, right now I'm messing with the... other cable here. But it's doing the same thing. Hello? I think it's a bad connection on that that's causing the distortion. I don't think it's something that I'm sending out. I think it's something I'm receiving. I don't know how to do these damn port forward shit. I don't just... Not a clue. Alright, let's go back here. Enter. If I just remove this. Enter. No, something's not right up there. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing here. Wait, let's try this one. Enter. Enter. It still says it's closed. Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm really having a problem with this distortion thing. I'm gonna go to my website and see if I'm gonna listen. What the hell? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna listen to my stream here. Listen to my stream here. Listen to my. Hello, hello, hello. Distortion, 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 distortion. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I have figured something out. It's not my microphone, so I could actually just turn this down. But now there's something else, okay? If I go and play music, test 1, 2, 3, 4, hello. So right now it's heavily distorting on my microphone. So if I go to music and I play something, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All right. So I've figured out the problem. Let me get my phone. We're dealing with another problem now, except the game. Yeah, okay. So if I mess with my headphones, if I listen to the music, it's fine. Why is that? Because if I use the microphone, it's distorted. But everything is going out clean from the microphone. I've got two inputs here. Where is the stuff that's going to my computer? Where's the audio that's going to that computer? Let's try something here. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the output, I'm monitoring the output from this. I've got main out. That's the one that's going to the computer. And this one is going into here. And I'm listening to that tape input. Now, let's see, test. Test. 1, 2. Hello, distortion, hello? There's a button on the other mixer that's got the tape input where I can hear what's coming from the main computer and I can hear what's coming from my microphone mixer at the same time. That way when I play my music, everything sounds in tune in the right time. But if what I'm hearing is distorted, and that's the tape input. Now I wonder, I've got a cable here. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other thing was the button. Hello. There's a tape input button on this. A tape input button on this other mixer. There are 2 controls. Stereo auxiliary, tape return to master. Test. Oh, that is really loud there. Okay. Now. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's monitoring. I don't know what this other button is, number 1. Stereo auxiliary tape return to master. Well, that certainly cranked up some volume, didn't it? Wow, I can really hear myself good now. And it didn't change the... I feel like I should be playing music. Fuck with these cables, I'm telling you. I don't have to do with this shit, it's just a fucking spaghetti mess here. I don't know what 1 is. It's just tape input. Oh, wait, hello? Actually, wait just a minute. Alright, so I want to play the music on my computer and watch my... whatever the heck it is, the mixer, OBS thing. Can you hear me? Test 1, 2. Okay, I just turned the mic down, sorry. Hello? 1, 2. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can hear myself loud now. Well, that's turned up. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just crazy cranking. That was interestingly loud, wasn't it? I think it might be that tape button. And there's a knob on here. Hello. There's that one. Hello. And then there's this mess over here, which is causing an issue. I don't know what the heck is going on with all this stuff here. Hello. like this song right here. Yeah, it's that it might be that adapter. Alright, it's working now, I guess. If it starts to do distortion again, I sort of know where to go look or something. I don't freaking know. Yeah, I don't know about this game because... I mean, I've been spending time on this Wi-Fi dude server. Let's see what I sound like over here. Test 1 2 3 4. Like over here. Test 1 2 3 4. I mean, that sounds alright. What are you gonna do, you know? Let's see. Back to the game. I need to make Din Din. There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way to open that port. I wonder if I do it directly. Take this off and put down 3306. Firewall error, invalid source IP. Oh, what? Copy. Paste. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see if that did anything useful. Enter. It's still not there. I don't know. Wait, let's just remove this. Oh, this is from the main router. Enter. Enter. Oh, God. What the holy fuck just happened? What the hell? I think. Wait. Let me oh God. It could be a memory issue in my computer in the game. Enter. Wait, what the hell? Um, why is it doing that? I wonder if the game itself is bugged here a little bit. No, I'll just restart it a little. Time flies when you're having fun, huh? Well, I don't think I want to get to this R shell thing tonight. Because part of this stuff that you need to know is in this port forwarding crap. And enter. Yeah, I think it was something to do with the game. Oh my god, the port's open. Now, how the fuck did I do that? So, if I copy this, paste, no. Let's just do it. Yeah, I'm behind this router. I added this. I added this number. This is allow. Where the hell did... Wait, did I port forward this? Oh no, I don't know. Let's hope we can remember this. Let me just, we've got... Enter. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. Because this is something that I added. I forwarded the port. It says it's open. I'm going to do this again. Enter. Now I'm going to remove this. Wait, what the hell? The admin put it back on. Enter. What the fuck? Alright, so we go to this one. No. We go to the 170. And we can do that because we're behind the router. What the what the fuck? Network map. Oh, I see what's happened. I didn't copy that one on the end of that. 1. Enter. Okay, these are the ports that I added here. So, since I'm behind the router, if I do an nmap, enter, it shows the ports. It doesn't show, it shows that the 8080, or I can manipulate the ports here, but it didn't forward the port from the other computer. Add entry. It shows the, oh. No, we don't want that. We want this one. No. We don't. We want the outside port copy. Enter. It didn't. Like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Honestly. Alright, so if something's, I don't know why it's open now. So if we add an entry here and do 3306, 3306, this is behind the router, and we pinged to an address. So now we can take the last address that we pinged to, add that to the main entry router from the internet. And so this address is here. And now if I go in and do this command again, enter. You know, I think a light bulb just came on in my head. I just figured it out. This was closed before. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I haven't a clue. There's no firewall on. This is the main router. I think a firewall says if something's there, that means it's closed. Okay. So let's add an entry. Well, this would be just deny. Alright, so I'm going to close the browser. And we are going to look at network map. Enter. So, if I am on a service and I'm behind a router, I can pull up this map. If the map is on their computer. If it's not, I can put it there. I can add that onto their computer. And then I can open these subnets. Now it says, you know, if I do a ping simulation, I know I can get to this computer. These are switches. That's a switch. How about here? But now the only situation is there's no ports open on that computer. Let's go back to the browser. It's the map. And then I would do copy, paste here, 80. Oh, it's behind the port, you idiot. 192.168.0.1. Now, just out of curiosity, since this guy's into employees and stuff, let's just try. Oh, we know he's got that. Well, it might not be on this computer, though. So this is 10093. 10093. Okay, let's try port 21. And now we're going to nmap this again. Enter. I wonder if I can FTP on that computer using I've got this. What about his name and password? I must have his name and password. Where is it? This is only on a UG. How come his, See, this is a good place to start. You know what? This is a good place to start because you've got commands here, and if you can get names and addresses. What about this? How the hell did I get? I tried to do this email probably and it didn't work. Fifth has got an HTTP port. I've accessed that camera before. 16. This is on Fifth's computer. I just type in the port number. Carfax Oleoni. See right here it says it's closed. But it's him. You know, that's his password. Because that was on the... I put that on the map. But I don't think that's his, we could try it. What the hell you got to lose, you know? FTP. Copy. Paste. At. Utsum. Copy. Paste. And the IP. Is here. Enter. Key not found. Start terminal not found in map line 14. Let's try. Enter. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck it's doing that. Enter. Oh, shit. Enter. Alright, the other thing. Port 21. Here. This is open. This should... Copy. And map. Paste. Enter. Enter. It says the service is unknown. It's not recognizing that the service. And I don't see a way to... I have no clue. Source IP. Let's grab this one. Copy. Paste. Destination IP is going to be here. Oops. So then this one, this is the router number connected, not the one outside one connected to the internet, but the internal outer last one, whatever the hell it is. Now let's try this again. Enter. Don't know. Don't know. I don't care. Oh, what's this shit? Yeah, nice effort. Too bad your shit don't work on my stream. They're just bots. Remove entry. I forwarded this I forwarded the port and it's there, but it doesn't say what I can do with it. You know what I mean? Alright, so actually, now what we could try to do is there's a camera here. It's not, the port is not forwarded, but I don't know. I think we have to forward that port. Maybe. Let's see. Let's add an entry. And we use... four, because that's the camera. And then we go back here. And then we go to the browser. Oh, I'm already on the browser. Duh. And then we'll go to the main website. Wait. No. Here. Copy. Paste. And then we'll go to 444. Oh, I thought the camera was going to come up. What the fuck? Can't connect, service not found. Behind the port 444. Oh, wait a minute. That's not... Wait, that's the one that was... Oh, fuck me. Let's just do this here. Copy. Paste. Enter. That's assuming 80. That's bullshit because... Wait a minute. Enter. Yeah, I connected to that other camera. How did I fucking do it? I don't know how I did it. Do I have to? Oh, wait, let me go to that locked router. This is a lot of process of elimination. To try this, try that. It don't work, you know? Oh, this has, wait, that is port forwarding actually. So go back here. Let's try adding another entry. Let's see. Oh wait, it's this one. 10.0.9.4. So I put the address in the port forwarding, and that is going, I access the router that I'm able to access, and the stuff that's behind it I put in this local area net address with a port number, and let's see what happens here again. And that router that was locked is the next one going up to the main router to the other one. Fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. Router. Get my drift. Enter. I don't think that matters, because what I did was... What did I do? Enter. It worked. It worked. You don't have to enter a port number for the camera. So you go to the router here, and then you go to here. It's port... No, something's not right here. I'm going to delete this. Enter. Yeah, that's what I thought. It didn't have anything to do with that. You don't have to have a port. It's just an IP address. But it needs a password. Oh, you know what it could be? This is his server? Oh, I can't be that lucky. Unable to access camera. Wrong password. What about the group number? What about this here? I need to go get some D, don't I? How the hell would I know what the fucking password is? How would you know the camera password? How would you possibly? Unless if it was in a network configuration file or something. What about this one? Maybe this one doesn't have a... Oh, I know how to get to these now. They don't even have to be forwarded. If you can ping to it, that's how you get to the camera. Well, I guess I learned something tonight then. Wait, or did I? Shit, I just lost my browser. 95. 10.0.9.5. Oh, I know how to get to it now. I know how to get to the cameras. Let's try this one here. It's probably got a thing on it. Device. Copy. What's this other stuff? Browser.
Available directories.
Not quite. Enter. Let's try. We did that one. We did that one. We can get this one. Device details. Enter. Enter. Okay. That's okay. Let me go back to here. Let me just open another browser again. I can find the damn number. Alright, this is port forwarding, so now what we're going to do, that's the firewall. Port for, how do I know what port? The fuck? That's a switch. That's a switch. I don't how the fuck do you deal with switches? Yeah, you know what? Don't know. But I'm curious. Let's go to, I want to go to fifths. And we're going to network map. Network map. Enter. So he's got open stuff here, and there's a camera. Everything's open. Just one camera. So I'm behind the firewall. And there's the number. And we open a browser. And we've got some information. So, since I'm just sitting here, according to the information that I've got, I can just open this email address. Enter. There it is. I know how to get to the cameras now. But what I don't know I wonder if you can get to the switch that way. Enter. Port 80 not found. Yeah. Well, we can access cameras, but how do you... let's see. You know what we're going to do? That's what we're going to do right here. No port access. There's one there. See, the problem with this game... Well, it's not a problem, but the problem with most of the people that are playing this game are using other people's scripts and bypassing the game's commands themselves. So they're basically cheating to play the game using other people's crap, you know? How hackers hack CCTV cameras. That's not Greyhack. Again, I would advise not trying to use any of these commands on a computer. In real life, if you do, you'll end up not in a good position. This is only for educational purposes to learn how to use scripts, computer programming, files, password, stuff like that. Oh my god, my little thing come up here. I don't know. I do not know. But I wonder if I can put my computer behind that switch there and then lock the switch or something. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna save the game and call it quits, I think. Nope. Are you sure you accumulate? Yes, I want to shut down. Yep. Another day, another dollar.